In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, use this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then tap on Audio at the top. Use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Wherever you decided after finding your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video here and tap on it to add it. If it's not recent, click on Folders. Look for it here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!